Have you ever tried to speak English, but the words came out too slowly?
Do you feel stuck when trying to answer questions in English?
Many students tell us, I know what to say, but my mouth is too slow.
Don't worry. Today, we will share 4 magic tricks that help thousands of our students speak faster. Hello, and welcome to English Listening Class. I am Edward.
And I am Sophia. How are you today?
We are happy you are here with us. Today, we have something special for you.
These simple tricks work for everyone, even complete beginners.
And the best part? You can start using them today and see results this week.
Yes, many of our friends ask us, how can I speak English faster? Why do I speak so slowly? How can I answer questions quickly?
These are very good questions. Speaking slowly is normal when you learn a new language, but we can help you speak faster.
That's right. Today we will give you 3 easy ways to help you speak faster. Are you ready?
Let's begin. Our first tip is very fun. It will help your mouth move better when you speak English.
The first tip is to practice with fun sentences. These are special sentences that are a little difficult to say.
Yes, we call them tongue twisters. They help your mouth learn to move quickly.
Let me give you an example: red lorry, yellow lorry.
Try to say it slowly first. Red lorry, yellow lorry.
Now try to say it 3 times: red lorry, yellow lorry. Red lorry, yellow lorry. Red lorry, yellow lorry.
It's not easy, right? But it's fun, and it helps your mouth learn to move faster.
Here's another easy one. I like to eat apples and bananas.
Say it slowly first, then say it faster and faster.
Practice these fun sentences for 5 minutes every day. Your mouth will learn to move faster. And you will speak English faster too.
Very good. Now, let's talk about our second tip.
Our second tip is very simple. Read out loud every day.
Yes, when you read in your head, it's good. But when you read out loud, it's better for speaking.
Here's what you can do. Find a short, easy text in English. Maybe a small story or a simple conversation.
First, read it slowly. Make sure you understand all the words.
Then, read it again, but a little faster. Try to read it 3 or 4 times.
Each time, try to read a little faster than before. But remember, it's not a race. The words should still be clear.
You can use a timer if you want. See how many words you can read in 1 minute.
Yes. And next time, try to read more words in 1 minute. This is a good way to see your progress.
Reading out loud helps your eyes, your brain, and your mouth work together. It's very good practice.
And you know what? You're doing great. Learning to speak faster takes time, but you're on the right path.
Our third tip might surprise you. It's about breathing.
Yes, how you breathe is very important when you speak. Many people forget to breathe correctly when they speak English.
When you don't breathe well, you can't speak for long. Your sentences become short and slow.
Here's a simple exercise. Take a deep breath and count from 1 to 5 in English. Say each number clearly.
Like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Use just one breath for all 5 numbers.
Now, try to count from 1 to 10 with one breath. Say each number clearly.
This helps you learn to use your breath better when you speak. When you can use your breath well, you can say longer sentences.
And when you can say longer sentences, you can speak faster and more clearly.
Now, let's talk about how to think faster in English.
Yes, sometimes your mouth is ready, but your brain is slow. This is normal.
Here's a good tip. Learn words in groups, not alone.
Yes, don't just learn the word apple. Learn I eat an apple every day.
Don't just learn happy. Learn I feel happy when I speak English.
When you learn words in sentences, your brain remembers them better, and you can use them faster when you speak.
Another good tip is to practice answering simple questions quickly.
Questions like, what's your name? Where do you live? What do you like to do?
Practice your answers many times. This helps your brain think faster in English.
And one more thing, don't worry about making mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. It's part of learning.
That's right. When you worry too much about mistakes, you speak more slowly.
So relax, breathe, and just try. Your English will get faster every day.
Now, let's learn some important words from today's lesson.
The first word is faster.
Faster means more quick. For example, I want to speak English faster.
The next word is practice. Practice means to do something many times to get better. For example, I practice English every day. Next is tongue twister.
A tongue twister is a fun sentence that is difficult to say quickly. For example, red lorry, yellow lorry.
The next word is breathe.
Breathe means to take air in and out of your lungs. For example, remember to breathe when you speak English.
And our last word is progress.
Progress means getting better or moving forward. For example, I can see my progress in English.
Thank you for listening today. Remember our tips.
1. Practice with fun tongue twisters.
2. Read out loud every day.
3. Learn to breathe correctly when you speak.
And 4. Train your brain to think faster in English.
Try these tips this week. Even 5 minutes every day will help you.
You're doing a great job learning English. We are proud of you.
Yes, every day you get better and better.
Next time, we will talk about how to ask questions in English. Don't miss it.
Until then, keep practicing, keep listening, and your journey to fluency starts here. Goodbye for now.
See you next time.